why communication is important. Good day, everyone. Imagine a world where no one talk, no one listen, and no one understand each other. It would be full of confusion and problems, right? That's why communication is so important. It helps us express our truth, share ideas, and connect with others. Communication is not just about talking, it can be through writing, gesture, or even facial expression. A simple smile can show happiness, while a frown can show sadness. To communicate, we will need to do three things. First, speak clearly. Say what you mean in a way that others understand. Second, listen carefully. Don't just hear words, understand that the other person is saying. Third, be respectful. Choose words that show kindness and avoid hurting others. Today, we also use phones and social media to communicate. It makes things faster, but we must be careful with that say online. Word can either build or break relationship. Communication is the key to go relationship, learning, and success. If we communicate, we will avoid misunderstanding and make life easier. So let's practice good communication every day. And that's all. Thank you.